In 2025, AI agents aren't just a tech experiment. They're quietly running online businesses, writing content, managing clients, and even generating income while their owners sleep. What started as simple chatbots has evolved into fully autonomous digital workers, agents that can plan, decide, and act on their own. And right now, a small group of people is using them to automate almost everything, from social media posting to client outreach and even content creation for YouTube. In this video, we're going to break it all down. You'll learn what AI agents really are, how they actually make people money, and then I'll walk you through step by step how you can build AI agents without any coding knowledge. This isn't about theory or hype. It's a hands-on look at how automation is transforming online income in 2025. When most people hear AI, they think of chatbots that answer questions or generate text. But an AI agent goes far beyond that. It's not just a chatbot. It's an autonomous digital worker. An AI agent can think, plan, and act based on goals you give it. For example, an AI agent can handle email automation, generating and sending replies while sorting leads in a spreadsheet. It can manage content creation, researching topics, drafting scripts, and even posting them online. Some use AI agents in finance and trading, where they monitor market trends and execute trades. Businesses use them for customer support, resolving common queries without any human staff. Let's look at how people are actually making money with AI agents in 2025 and the real tools they're using to do it. First, e-commerce automation. Sellers are using tools like Bardeen and Zapier AI actions to automate product uploads, update inventory, and even reply to customer messages. Some connect these to Shopify Flow, so their store practically runs itself, 24/7, no employees required. Second, affiliate content automation. Creators use Agent GPT and Crew AI to research trending products, write blog posts or video scripts, and publish them automatically to WordPress or YouTube. Platforms like Flowise let you connect these agents visually, no coding needed, so one agent writes while another uploads. Third, AI service agencies. Freelancers now use Relevance AI or LangChain agents to build and sell automation systems to clients, like daily social media posts, email campaigns, or lead generation bots. They create a custom setup once and reuse it for multiple businesses. And finally, stock and crypto signals. Traders use TradeGenius AI or AutoTrader.ai, agents that monitor live market data, detect patterns, and execute trades automatically based on their custom parameters. So how do you actually build or use an AI agent yourself? Let's walk through the process step by step, and I'll show you what it looks like on screen. For this tutorial, I am using Crew AI to make AI agent. Crew AI is a platform that lets you build a team of AI agents that can work together, assign tasks, and complete goals automatically. It's completely no code, so you can create workflows visually without writing a single line of code. With the free plan, you can run up to 50 executions per month, making it perfect for beginners to experiment and build real working AI systems. Now let's actually build an AI agent from scratch inside Crew AI. On this first screen, you can see 3 quick start templates: automate social media posting, personal project manager, and learning and skill development. You can choose any of these, but for this video, I'll click skip and explore on my own so we can build our own custom automation. Next, we're taken to this screen that asks, what automation would you like to build? This is where you simply describe what you want the agent to do, no coding required. In my case, I'll type, build an automation that generates 5 YouTube title ideas from a topic I enter. Then click the red arrow icon to continue. Crew AI now opens Crew Studio, the visual workspace where you can see everything happen. The pop-up on the right says, welcome to Crew AI Studio. This is where you can drag and drop tasks, agents, and tools to create your automation visually. On the left, Crew AI's AI assistant is already working. It's reading my request, thinking through the process, and finding the best tools to build the automation automatically. Within a few seconds, Crew AI generates a complete setup called YouTube Title Generator. You can see the connected blocks, one for the agent, one for the task, and optional triggers for scheduling runs. When I click Run, Crew AI asks me to enter a topic. I'll type artificial intelligence. Then it shows me how it will apply this input to generate results. Finally, you'll see the Execution tab. Crew AI is researching trends, calling the language model, and generating 5 SEO-optimized YouTube titles with explanations for each one. And that's it, a fully functional AI agent created in minutes, visually, without writing a single line of code. Now let's look at another example that's just as simple but a bit more creative, a social media content planner built entirely in Crew AI. On this screen, I typed my goal. Plan, write, and schedule social media posts for the week based on trending topics in AI. Crew AI instantly understood what I wanted and generated a full automation for me. On the right, you can see 3 connected agents. The first one, Trend Researcher, scans online sources for trending AI topics. The second agent, Content Writer, creates post captions and short summaries for each trend. And the third, Scheduler, organizes everything into a weekly posting plan that can be exported or linked to your preferred calendar or scheduling tool. Below these agents are the tasks. You can see how each block is linked, showing the entire workflow visually. When I hit Run, Crew AI goes step by step, first gathering data, then writing posts, and finally generating a content calendar summary. After a few seconds, the automation completes, and you can see the final output on the right, a structured list of AI-related topics, ready to post captions, and suggested posting dates. This example shows how Crew AI can go beyond simple tasks. In just 1 minute, you can build a workflow that replaces hours of manual content research and scheduling, all through a single prompt and a few clicks. Now that you've seen how easy it is to build these automations, let's talk about how people are actually making money with AI agents in 2025. The first model is selling AI automations to businesses. Freelancers and small agencies are creating practical automations, like lead generation systems, report writers, or email responders, and selling them to businesses that want to save time. Platforms like MuleRun, an AI agent marketplace, now let you upload your finished automation so others can buy and use it instantly. It's basically the App Store for AI agents. The second model is building agent-powered SaaS tools. Developers and creators use frameworks like Crew AI or LangChain to turn agents into subscription-based tools. For example, a content scheduler, a data analyst, or a productivity assistant. Once it's live, every user's task run generates recurring revenue for the creator. And finally, Affiliate Plus content automation. Creators are using AI agents to automatically research products, generate blog posts or video scripts, and upload content with affiliate links, earning commissions while the system runs in the background. In short, AI agents aren't just a tech trend, they've become new digital employees that can also become new income streams. If you're serious about staying ahead in 2025, start experimenting. Build one automation that saves you an hour a day, then scale it, sell it, or turn it into your own AI-powered service. Because the people who learn to use AI agents are the ones quietly building the next wave of digital income. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, share it with someone who needs to see this, and I'll see you in the next video.